Good evening, everybody. We are on Oregon Trail in Oregon, or Arizona. I have no idea what we got ourselves into. Maybe some rocks and stickers, and all that good stuff. Oh, it looks like maybe it just goes out here in dead ends.
There's another road off to the left, too.
Now that one. I just don't want to go up on those mountains like me and you went up.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't going up another one of them.
Yeah, no, that's crazy.
Yeah, that was the left. You go to that one. This one looks like it dead ends. Right up here.
It looks like it keeps going.
Huh.
It looks like it goes up and around or something. See that?
It might. As long as it stays like this, it ain't bad.
Yeah. It's mainly the uphills, man.
Yeah.
Because uphills also turn into downhills.
Yeah. Johnny says it's
That's also what I was saying, because uphills turn into downhills. Oh, so that road comes around to that one, probably.
Yeah. Well, this one goes out to it, I seen on the, looks like. Yeah, that one hill we went up, that was stupid. It's one of those deals where once you get into it, what are you going to do? I mean, but dang, I was dreading it. I was glad when we got to the top, then I was kind of worried, uh-oh, now we got to go down the other side. But it wasn't as bad as I thought going down it.
No trespassing sign.
Uh-oh.
There's the end.
Right at the whoop section, too, man. Yeah, it's the locked gate.
Where's the whoops?
Yeah, right there.
I see them, yeah, that is true. There's whoops here. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. Look at these ocotillos out here. They're all over the place. Reach out there and grab you one.
Scotty's about to run out of liquor fluid.
I'm still turning.
He got plenty. He knows he's going to be turning here a little shortly.
I'm getting turned.
Yeah. Getting turned.
Yeah, getting turned upside down.
Yeah.
Getting turned around. Where's the road?
What, the other one? The other one's right back around where you are. And
it's right here. He's getting pretty good at them circles, ain't he?
Can draw a square.
I've gotten a lot better on them on this big 300 than I thought I would. Because, like, I mean, I was obviously good on that 230, but that 230 was small and lightweight.
I can't draw a square or a circle. I think there's kind of little rocks here. Just watch it front brake. Uh-oh, there's a ditch.
Oh, big ditch.
Stay right. That's a pretty good drop in that little ditch.
It's bigger than a damn curb.
I don't know.
That
I
looks
mean, we
rough
can.
going back that way, doesn't it?
Huh?
Look, going back that way. What the hell's that? Like a single track rut up the hill?
I don't know.
This way doesn't look bad.
It just goes back into town, what it looks like.
This goes back into town?
Yeah, it goes back around the other side of town.
Okay.
Tombstone. But go up there and see, Kevin.
I don't know where it goes to, but it's. I mean, it's all right now.
That's an easy climb.
We will find out though. Where's Scotty at?
He's back
I'm right
there.
here.
He's right back there.
Why do I feel like this thing goes back around where we just come from?
Well, it don't show it, does, but who knows? You know how.
Looks
Oh,
like
it almost
goes
looks like
left
it
up
goes
here.
over there. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was about to say.
I think it goes left and then straight into town.
I don't know what that is there. It looks like it goes up through that between the mountains up there on the map.
Oh, this goes around that. It didn't turn left?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, there's probably a bunch of little ones that go off all over the place, but
right.
the main one that's showing on the map that I'm seeing.
Warning: Tombstone aqueduct, non-potable water.
Oh,
Well, we don't want no pot anyway.
don't even
So
know how
you
turn
can't drink
in the
water and get
pot.
high off of it?
I guess not.
Yeah.
Can't turn it into pot. There's some mines up there.
Kevin, you know what they call that, right?
What?
Instead of H2O, it's 420.
Oh my God, that's a good one. Wait, can we go up to the mines?
I don't know.
A heck of a steep walk somewhere if it is, my goodness.
You'd have to walk up there.
It's not bad. You can come up. Scotty can do it. Oh yeah, the end's right here, and then we can probably go up toward the mine. That's if you want to walk.
Holy macro patties.
The heck is it? How? Where's the walkway?
There's another one over there, see it? Little ones. There's one over there. There ain't no walkway. You gotta make one.
What do you mean ain't no walkway?
We'll let Kevin go see first, and then we'll see if it's worth going. Don't that sound smart to you?
The name ain't Honda Trailblazer for no reason, biatch.
That's right.
Scared I'm gonna take my helmet off.
Oh my gosh, ain't sure my bike can sit here.
I'll say I think I might have to move mine.
Yeah,
Tell
you're in a
how much
bad
I'm
you're in a bad spot.
Yeah.
Need my kickstand more uphill. Well, that,
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm just gonna pull around in between you guys.
that gotta work right there. Oh, Kevin there, he's Billy Goat. See what that sign says while you're up there. Probably says, do not poop in the hole. Okay, we made it up here. There's the bikes way down there. Nobody steals them while we're way up here on the mountain. So, pretty cool. Mines over here. Got 2, 3. It's like a smelter or something up there, maybe. I don't know what that is. Kevin's going around over that way. Sorry for the wind, but it is what it is. We gotta head back down. Okay, we are headed out of here. Heck, it's like an ugly third grader road.
Don't say that.
Oh yeah. It could get bad if I say that.
There's another little, damn, there's trails this split up everywhere. Oh, there's another mine right here.
Forget it. I ain't climbing up to another mine.
Look at that.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
actually got like the full setup. See that? That's
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, no doubt. That's cool.
That one looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
You can probably at least walk up to that hump right there and get a like recording of it.
I can see it good enough. If I ride up to the hump, then I want to ride over it. And probably a sign
I think you meant walk up to it.
Yeah,
Oh.
so I was talking about walk.
Oh, okay. Let's just go on. It's good. I got it on video. I'm too lazy now after walking up that mountain and back. I'm
He said
wore
I've
out.
had my exercise.
Yeah,
That was a good little walk.
but to be fair, there's a reason.
Yeah. There's a reason why it was a hard walk.
Yeah, no doubt. There's mines everywhere. Look on the left over there. There's some.
Oh yeah. Dang.
They're just all over the place out in here. Well, I forget it. They told us over there at Tombstone, that guy on that stagecoach ride, how many mines is around here. It's unreal.
I
How many
wonder
mines there is.
I wonder how many times you know you're digging all these different mines, you actually run into someone else's mine.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. See, a lot of people say
But-
act like it's wrong to date a miner, but I wouldn't
Oh, God.
like mine like having someone who brings home the diamonds. You know what I'm saying? Because that'd be some income.
I was saying uh-oh about you running somebody else's mine right
Yeah,
through the
no.
wall, right through the wall, and there's somebody in there. Oh, hey.
I realized after I thought you hit something or something. I thought that was like uh-oh, just popped a tire.
Oh, no. We done that here a while back.
There's all
Yeah,
kinds of different little split off trails too.
no doubt. They're
This
just all
stuff
over out
looks too
here.
bad.
It's like a honeycomb of trails out in here. I'd stay left and then right. Looks like.
Just follow the trails I take.
Follow the trails the line he picks and hope it's a good one.
Yep. I don't mind that. That's not too bad. That kind of stuff. These ones aren't that bad.
I don't mind some decently rough stuff, like some stuff that's like right below the stuff that me and Dad were on last time. I don't mind. My main thing is these bald tires. That's what really gets me, and the top heaviness on this dang bike. It really kind of. Whoa.
What'd you
Slip
do?
right there. No, I just had no grip.
See,
I was
look at
barely
this.
throttling and just spinning
Look
with
at
these
these
bald
trails out
tires.
here. They go everywhere.
Yeah. What I was saying is like I don't mind rough stuff. I just don't like stuff that doesn't have or that's like slick on top to where, you know what I mean? Like I don't mind riding on like rocky stuff as long as it's not all loose.
You talk about Missouri?
Yeah.
Out here in Arizona, everything's slick.
I know it's crazy that it's that way.
It
Got
is.
that little layer of dust and then everything sits on top of it.
Missouri, I think you just the dirt and the rocks compact pretty good together, especially if it is a little bit wet and it's super traction. But out here, it's some loose stuff.
Yeah, Scott, do you know how you've been learning to ride out here? If we was to go out to like somewhere that was like Missouri and ride, your confidence would go way up on that
Oh
stuff.
yeah,
And then I come back here and hit the front brake.
because I come
Yeah.
I come over here, my confidence went way down. Yeah, he'd be like, well, I was used to using the brake in Missouri.
Oh, this is awesome. This part, I love this.
Yeah.
And there's
Get
all
that.
kinds of trail splitting off on it too, all down
Someday
through
we'll
here.
have to come back someday and just try out all these little
That's what I was gonna
offshoots.
say. You're gonna have to mark this road.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a campfire or something down there.
Well, this road is easy to find. Once you get right out Tombstone, it's that open gate.
Man, I wish I was recording right there. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the
Yeah, you got in the
fire.
middle.
Yeah, you see
I
it?
saw your tire track in the middle. I knew exactly what it was.
You got in the middle part there.
Yeah, as soon as I looked
saw.
down, I was in like 6 inches deep of gravel.
So you go back left down here, looks like.
Truck,
Yeah.
car up, car up, car up.
Car up,
car up.
and he's flying too.
He's
Look at that.
flying.
What the heck? You seriously gonna drive that way
My
on this
God,
road?
he was going like freaking 35.
Stupid.
Oh,
My car's a piece of crap, and I don't know why. They
Look at
just
him, man.
don't build the
You see
front
the
ends
look
on.
you see a look on his face where he was like,
Yeah. Stupid.
land for sale.
He's like, yeah.
he's like, I wasn't going that fast, guys.
Yeah, he was flying.
And look how rough this road is through here. What
I
the
know,
hell?
he was booking it.
They don't build the front end components on these cars like they used to.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
know what's funny is he come down through there, he looked like a dang cartoon with
Yeah.
like the giant trail,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like dust behind him.
It looked like one of them
it feels
rally.
good getting the
Looked like one of them
airflow.
rally car racers. No, rally car racers. That's the way that that side by side was coming through that one day.
So there's some pretty good sized mine in there on the left.
Oh yeah, look at that slope.
Holy cow.
Oh yeah, let's
The
hook
whole
on that.
thing.
There's a trail that goes up there too, somewhere through up there.
The whole
See that
thing
trail?
goes there, yeah.
There's a trail right there back. It looked like it goes up on top of it.
It says Old Bisbee Highway.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Old Bisbee Highway down here.
That's what we're on?
Down here. We're
Wow,
gonna get on
weird.
it, looks like.
Oh, okay.
Right down here at the T or Y or whatever's down here.
There must be a quarry up in there or something.
Yeah,
That's a lot of digging.
it's gotta be.
That makes those other piles we were just climbing on look like nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, with all that red dirt, I guarantee you it's quarry business. And with how much it is and how much it's pushed out, and like what the shape it is. Dang, that's a lot.
That's loose stuff.
We still managed to find some good riding even after we ran into that dead end.
I know.
See, that's why you just gotta try to find a place and go.
Look at that old bridge over there. That on the highway? The highway's right over there. But I
Looks
don't
like it
think.
goes to that person's house.
Yeah.
Looks like it's part of their driveway.
Well, surely to God you wouldn't build a bridge like that for the driveway to your house.
Hey, some people got that
Unless
money.
you got some bucks.
They got some bucks. That's a big house. That is a pretty big house.
Can't see in there.
Yeah, this actually looks newer.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, it looks like they've been digging here recently.
Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. My battery level is low. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.